Before Earth existed, a massive molecular cloud drifted in darkness, waiting quietly for its destiny. A distant supernova sent a shockwave rippling through the mist, stirring instability across the sleeping cloud. Gravity tightened its ancient grip, pulling sheets of gas inward as the entire cloud began to rotate. We drift through spiraling currents where dust grains race past, glowing faintly in rising infrared warmth. The collapsing core brightens with trapped heat, forming a dense, rotating heart hidden behind thick veils. Red infrared glow spreads outward like embers deep within a cosmic forge, preparing to ignite creation. A protostar emerges unseen, wrapped in swirling ribbons of accretion streams, feeding its growing mass silently. Streams of gas twist inward, each fall of matter increasing gravity's pull and tightening the forming star. We move through the accretion disk, watching glowing arcs collide and cascade around the rising protosun. At the center, pressure builds relentlessly as atoms compress tighter than any force the cloud has known. The core blazes bright in infrared waves, hidden beneath swirling dust but trembling with approaching ignition. At 10 million degrees, hydrogen fuses into helium, releasing sudden flashes that mark the moment of birth. A brilliant surge erupts outward, pushing dust aside as the protostar stabilizes in a radiant newborn blaze. For the first time, the sun's visible light pierces the nebula, illuminating swirling golden and blue bands. Solar winds roar outward, sweeping debris in vast curling arcs and clearing space around the young star. Near its heat, volatile materials evaporate, leaving rock and metal, the building blocks of inner planets. Farther out, icy materials drift together, forming thick layers around growing cores of giant planets. The sun's gravity organizes swirling bodies into graceful orbital lanes that will endure for eons. In the inner system, molten proto-worlds glow under constant impacts, shaping their violent early surfaces. A Mars-sized body strikes young Earth, casting molten debris into orbit in a colossal fiery collision. From that debris, fragments coalesce slowly into the bright sphere that will become the Moon's first form. Solar wind sweeps away remaining dust, revealing a newborn system emerging beneath the sun's steady glow. Jupiter swells into a massive storm-filled world, settling into orbit and shaping the outer architecture. Saturn's rings gleam with icy brilliance, forming delicate arcs shimmering gently beneath distant sunlight. Uranus and Neptune drift into their cold orbits, glowing softly in the frozen reaches of the outer system. The sun now burns steadily, its golden light stretching across a structured and slowly calming system. We pull back to see planets aligned around the radiant sun, each following the path gravity quietly defined. Farther still, the solar system appears as a delicate glowing disk suspended in endless cosmic night. Dust motes drift through sunlight, carrying the seeds of future oceans, mountains, and worlds yet unimagined. Fade into darkness as we remember, from a collapsing cloud came a star, and in its light, life would awaken.